Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some really exciting, fun things to share with you today. I have a new fold it called Smile. Now, the Smile folded is really fun. One, because there's so many dies involved, and you really don't realize it. Because there's 1, 2, 3 dies, but the letters are separate also. So you have lots of different options with this one. In fact, you have so many options, you can even make a shaker card. Isn't that awesome? I love our shaker cards. Look how fun that is. You definitely can make a shaker card out of this if you want to. Just a heads up, my friends. Now, to go with our Smile Fold It, I'm also releasing, and I was really having a lot of fun releasing this one. This is a Smile stamp set. So if you wanted to do the Smile card, then you could say, life is better with a smile. The best curve on a woman is a smile. Hang on, Stephanie can't read upside down very well. Smile, it increases your face value. Smile, it makes others wonder what you've been up to. So some of the items on here go on the inside, some would go on the outside, which is really fun. Also, perfect to use with your strip dies that we have. Don't forget, a lot of you have already purchased those strip dies, which make these even more fun to use, right? Let's see, everything, Smile, you make my heart smile, just smile, and everything, share a smile, smiles with you, I love your smile. Lots of different options on the Smile, right? Now, we're also releasing rounded slimline dies. Yay! I've been waiting for these. Now, the fun thing about this is the smallest one, you're like, I won't use that. No. You're going to use it for all your strip stamps, right? We have more and more strip stamps coming. And how fun is it to use one that is rounded if you want to? So that's definitely an option. And with all your slim lines, you're definitely going to want to use this one over and over again. Another item we are releasing, which is really fun, is our Affirmations to Stamp. So you're also going to use your strip dies with this one if you want to. Now, you don't have to, of course, but you are a child of God. You are a leader. You are a rock star. You are a superstar. Amazing, an inspiration, beautiful, brave, capable, chosen, enough, fierce, giving, resilient, happy, smart, kind, strong, loved, tough, loving, my friend, my hero, never alone, positive, be positive, powerful, reliable, wise, successful, victorious. Imagine sending a card with these words or some of these words or 1 or 2 of these words to someone on your love list, right? Imagine that. Imagine telling them, hey, you got this. You have this. You are fierce. You got this. Don't worry about it, right? Now, you can say you are, or you can say be. Be resilient, be kind, be happy. So fun, right? And again, don't forget to use your strip dies, right? Now let's check out all our awesome samples. I already showed you the shaker one. Look how cute this little one is that Michelle made. And she did a little shrinky dink on here. It says, smile, it increases your face value. Isn't that cute? And she made a little shrinky dink out of it. Here's a cute one, and you're like going, wait, that's not new. I've seen that flip it before. But watch this, my friends. This is little Miller Peep. Congrats to the grad. Open it up. Whoops, I got a Post-it note in there. The team always puts Post-it notes on these to give me notes so I know what I'm doing. And it says, you are wise, smart, a leader, strong, amazing, resilient. Perfect for your graduation cards. Isn't that awesome? Okay, let's look at some more here. You are loved. Isn't that cute? Open it up. You make my heart smile. I love you. Oh, look at that, my friends. Rounded rectangles on the slim line. Rounded rectangles. Here's some more rounded rectangles on this one. Snowflakes are kisses from heaven with our rounded rectangles. Let's look at some more rounded rectangles since we're talking about those. Look at how cute this one is with those little turtles. And open it up, Christmas wishes. So cute. Oh, here's another one. Look at those awesome rounded rectangles. I love those. Now let's look at some more smiles. Smile, it makes others wonder. Isn't that cute? Look at that little guy. He's got a funny face on him. Here, this one's awesome. You are beautiful, wise, never alone, victorious, an inspiration, a child of God. Imagine that. That's such a pick-me-up card, right? Here's another one that's a pick-me-up card. You are Who made this? Danya. I love this. She did it all in black. The you are on a diagonal, except one that you're really going to read. You are loved, chosen, a child of God. Isn't that gorgeous? Open it up. You are victorious. So beautiful. Here's a cute one. Smile. And the world smiles with you. Isn't that cute? Now, that's something I didn't even mention. You can also use the smile up at the top as a stamp and color it in if you want to. So fun. Oh, here's a cute little guy. Smile. Look, he's on his little wobbly. So cute. Add your little message on the inside. Here's a cute one. Smile, sunshine. That sunshine used to be a kit die. So cute. You are beautiful. Here's a cute one. Be you. Open it up. I'll always be here for you. Be brave, smart, strong, happy, positive, wise, amazing. Or here's a cute one. Make your own sun. You are an inspiration. Beautiful, powerful, a child of God, successful, a leader, amazing. You got this. Be victorious. Oh, so cute. Oh, here's a fun one. Smile. Look at that big smile. It's a nice, good size. Oh, and rounded rectangles. I got to point out those rounded rectangles because our team uses them more than you realize, but sometimes you might not see them right away. You make my heart smile. Love is what happens when two hearts find their happy place right beside each other. That's from our anniversary set. Here you go. You are an inspiration. You are a child of God, loving, kind, chosen. Gorgeous. Here's a cute one. Smile. You are beautiful. Isn't that cute? Open it up. Write your message. Here's a cute one. Smile. Happy birthday on a slimline card. Isn't that awesome? Happy birthday. Here's to a year filled with joy and happiness. Ooh, glitter paper. You know I love my glitter paper. Smile. Makes others wonder. It makes others wonder. Isn't that gorgeous? Here's a cute one. Ooh, with our 3D ink. I don't remember who made this one. But look how cute this is. 3D ink. Never be afraid of the 3D ink. Use it to your advantage. All these little hearts have little 3D ink on them. It's time to celebrate. Happy birthday. Here's a cute one. Whoops. Smile. It's your birthday. Isn't that cute? Happy birthday. Oh, and you can even, don't use these on scrapbook pages. Look at that. Every picture has a story to tell. Click, 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 smile, say cheese. Isn't that awesome? Now, club members, of course, you're getting a club discount on all of these products. And if you're not in the club, please go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on the link that says join the club. Just watch the video. That's all I ask. Because you know what? When you're a club member, you get a 15% or 20% discount off of everything on our website. Everything, including flash sale prices, so you get to double dip on those discounts, and you get club points that you can use for future purchases. You get anniversary gifts when you've been in the club a full year, and you know what? And freebies. You get freebies. We like to send out freebies. Isn't that amazing? I know. Go check out the website. You're gonna love it. If I went too fast on any of these, because I know I like to talk fast, go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on gallery, and all of these ideas and more will be there available for you. You can like them, you can share them, you can print them if you want. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.